Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to go to the problem set 1 deep thought. So in this what I have asked is to implement a program that prompts the user to answer to a great question of life, the universe and everything. Outputting S if the user inputs 42 or 42 and 42 in case insensitively. They have given three different things. So the case should be insensitive, and if they have not writing 42 as the output, we are going to output no. So that's it. So in the hint they have said us no need to convert to int, you can just use double quotes for string to check whether it is a 42. It is okay if the output or the user wraps into multiple lines, that is if the user writes 42 in 40 and 2 in two different lines also, it is okay, they have said. So I think here we need to implement dot lower or dot upper to make it case insensitive, and then dot strip can be used because it can strip all the edges, all the empty spaces and all, so that it will be easy for us to guess the output. And yeah, so before you begin, as usual they have said to make a directory and then start writing the code. Okay, so first let us make the okay, it is asking for update, so let me update now. Okay, rebuild. So whenever you launch the code space, if it is asking for update, please update. Then only you will be getting the updated version of the Visual Studio, and you will get all the other details easily. Okay. Okay, it is updating. Let us wait. So as I said before, we are going to use dot strip and dot lower to convert our output and make it in a required format. After that, we can use the if else condition for checking the output, and then the code is complete. It is quite simple. And this is the time I just wanted to confirm you that we are going to upload videos every Wednesday and Saturday for all the problem sets, and these are all just sample output and sample programs. I will not say just copy and paste this program, because it is our duty to learn, and this program is very simple and it is always useful to learn step by step. Okay. Yeah, we have got it. Yeah, it is loading. Just a second. Okay, now we can make the directory mkdir. Okay, it's loading. We have made the directory. Now we need to go inside the directory. Now code by, yeah, our coding has been entered. Now we need to get the input from the user. So answer is equal to input. Okay, what is the question they are asking? Okay, so this is the question. Let me copy the question and paste it here. Okay, for this, as I said, we need to convert it into lowercase so that case insensitivity problem will be done. After that, we need to just make this into strip and just putting inside brackets. Okay, now our answers in the formatted mode. Now we can just check if answer equal to 42 or answer equal to, so what are the other options? 42 or answer equal to, so these three are the things which we are going to consider as the correct ones. Okay, yeah, so what I need to print here, print, let us check, print yes, capital letter Y, else I need to print new. So I think the code is complete. Let us try to run and see the program. Python d.py. Okay, so now I will write 42. Yes, coming correctly. Again I will write 42. Perfect. Again I will write with 40-2. Perfect. Again I will give some other input. New. Yeah, for me it is working correctly. Let us try to check with the help of the check command. Okay, let it check. So here OR operator we are using. OR operator means if either one of the answer is correct also, it is going to let us say that everything is correct. AND operator is used for if any one of the answer is wrong also, it will be saying wrong. OR means if any one is correct also, it will say correct. So all green smileys. Let us just submit our program now. Okay. And there is something called as style 50 here. If we click on this, what will happen is it will just do the styling part for us, so that it is easy to read the program. Okay, so if we want, we can do this kind of styling which is available with our CS50 itself. Now I will just click S. So once you start writing programs, big programs, it will always be easy for us to apply the style 50, so that the user can easily try to make use of all these things. And that's it for today. We have submitted. Let us check the grade sheet whether deep thought is being ticked. Yeah, and bye bye friends.